Good morning. My name is Mikołaj Lizut. I come from Poland and I'm a director and originator of The Writers, a short series for Canal+. The idea of this little series is that I ask a dozen of the most outstanding Polish writers to write a short story about a woman and a man. This is how 12 several minute long scenarios were created on various topics like love, politics, society, religion, or loneliness. I hope all of them are funny, perverse, and sometimes touching. In each episode, two great Polish actors played, Magda Cielecka and Maciej impersonating different characters. This mini-series was created out of passion and love for literature, which is like a godfather for a good cinema. I hope you will like it.